Hi, this is our seventh video on Python tutorial, and it is about dictionary data type. A dictionary is an unordered collection of items. It has a key value pair, and it is created by using curly braces, just like tuple. However, in tuple, it has only just values. However, in dictionary, there is a key and value pair. We can create empty dictionary dictionary by using curly braces. Let's see this. I just created the dictionary and it did not throw any error. Let's check the type. You see, it's a dictionary created. It can also be created using integer keys. The keys could be like integer, it could be a text or a string, or it could be any other data type. Let's see. So this is created, and again, when we go about checking the type, or let's print out what is in this dictionary to variable, and see, this is what we got. So let's check out the other with mixed keys. So this is checked with mixed keys. We just created a dictionary. It has the key is the string value, a string. The value is a string. The key is a numeric, and it has a list within it. Let's check out. Let's dictionary 3 and see. Another, we can also create dictionary using the built-in dictionary function, just like other variables that we discussed earlier. Okay, and here with dictionary 4 is equals to dict, I can create a dictionary using the built-in dict function. Let's check the output. So see, and the final dictionary is having each item as a pair, like in round brackets. Let's do it. Here the dictionary is created using dictionary 5 and built-in function. Let's check the value. See, so the output are exactly the same when we did not create a pair and when we create a pair. You can see. However, these are different syntaxes through which you can create dictionaries. Let's delete this cell. Okay. Now, how can we access the elements from a dictionary? Just by using square brackets and identifying the key. Like in dictionary 4, we have on second key we have ball. So let's print out what is the output for this. We get the ball. Or we can also get access the value or elements within the dictionary by using the get method. And the benefit of using get method is instead of throwing error when the key does not exist, it says that the key is not found. Okay, let's check out. Here, when I get this printed, I get apple because on the first key it's apple. And when I go about checking this with the third key that does not exist, let's see what output we get. We get nothing. So this is the difference between the get method and checking it using just by square brackets and putting the key inside it. We can also change the values of elements within the dictionary just by identifying that value, accessing that value, and giving it another assignment. Here, like for example, we assigned age as 26 in dictionary 5 variable. We access the dictionary 5 variable with square brackets and putting the key, that is age, and giving it a new assignment of 27. And when we print it out, we will get we get 27. Okay. Okay, let's delete this cell. Now, we can also print the dictionary values by using the print function. Let's check out. See, the values have been printed. On first, it's apple, number two is ball, and third is age 27 in dictionary 5. We can add elements to a dictionary by just defining its key and adding and assigning value to it. And here we just did it, and when we print dictionary 5 again, so we have that address of the new key value pair added to the main dictionary. So I hope now you have a better understanding of dictionary 5. May you have any queries or questions, feel free to contact me and subscribe and like this video. And if you are looking to create any video or on a special topic or any specific topic, you can contact. Thank you.